All right, so I'm filming a what I eat in a day, and I'm going to just have a bowl of Cheerios for breakfast. Usually I will go all out. I will have like bacon, eggs, French toast, hash brown, oatmeal, tea, but I'm out of groceries. So today we're going with a bowl of Cheerios, and then we're gonna mix it up a bit for lunchtime. All right, so it's lunchtime. I really need to get those calories in, so I'm going to be making some quick chicken tacos. Simple recipe that I always love to do. So just a little bit of taco seasoning to season the chicken, and of course, you know, Black people pantry, we got to add, you know, all the other stuff in there. And I don't have any lettuce, so I'm going to substitute with spinach. I don't think it'll make a difference, honestly. You know, green stuff tastes like green stuff. Yuck. Some regular medium cheese. I have onions, tomatoes, and I have sour cream and hot sauce and all the, you know, the good stuff to make your tacos taste nice. So that is my lunch. All right, so we have 2 chicken tacos and a side of white rice. All right, so for dinner, I am cooking some baked chicken wings, and I'll also be pairing it with some leftover white rice that I have in my rice cooker. And I also want to do greens on the side, so I'm gonna get some frozen greens and make these. So that's my dinner.